What's up guys, it's Brodacious, and in today's video I'm going to be teaching you guys how to use StreamElements to stream. If you don't know what StreamElements OBS.Live is, it's a free streaming software that has built-in features and it works directly with StreamElements alert system. It's simple and easy, so let's get right into it. Alright, now that we're in our computer, let's open up our internet browser. You're going to want to type StreamElements.com. Since I'm already logged in, there's going to be a button here that says connect with Twitch, YouTube, Mixer, blah blah blah. Connect with your profile that you would use to stream. So if you're streaming on Twitch, then click through Twitch, and then it will ask you to log in, and then it will take you to my dashboard. Okay, now that you're at your dashboard, you're going to want to go to OBS.Live. And then you're going to want to click download. Okay, now that it's downloaded, you're going to click open. We can minimize our tab for now. This box will appear and you're just going to click next. And I agree, that's just their terms. You're going to choose your destination folder. Usually the preset is fine, and if it's mostly like on your desktop or something, it should be good. You're gonna click next. If you do not have OBS Studio installed, then you're gonna have to check this box, and if you do have it installed, don't worry about it. Okay, now we're gonna open up our OBS.Live, the StreamElements OBS. Then you're gonna log in with whatever you use to log in. So for me, I logged in with Twitch. Now that we're in our OBS, we're gonna want to click on settings in the bottom right corner, and then we're gonna go over to stream and whatever you're gonna stream on. So if you're streaming on YouTube, set it to YouTube. If you're streaming to Mixer, set it to Mixer. For streaming to Twitch, then set it to Twitch. We're gonna come over to the output tab, and we're gonna go on the streaming tab and make sure that the output mode is advanced. And now the encoder, I'm using X264, but if you have an NVIDIA graphics card, I would recommend using their encoder because it's going to be a lot better. But since I only have an AMD graphics card, then it doesn't really work well. But I do have a really good CPU, so I use the X264. X264 will be using CPU, and the NVIDIA encoder will be using GPU. We're going to come down to here and rescale output. I have that just to 1280 by 720. It doesn't really matter. Rate control, we're going to want to do CBR. And bitrate, we're going to want to do 4500. If you have a higher bitrate, it's going to make it less fuzzy, pixely, but it could make it more frame choppy. And if you have it too low, it's going to be fine frames, but it's going to look super fuzzy and look super weird. So always try to find that sweet spot in between. I chose 4500. Keyframe interval is fine to 0. Since I'm using the CPU, it says CPU usage preset, and I'm going to be using fast. Profile, main, and we're good there. The audio tab, you should be good. The desktop audio should be your main headset or speakers. And then your mic auxiliary audio should just be your main mic that you are going to use. And then over here on video, the base canvas resolution should be your monitor's resolution. So my monitor is 1920 by 1080, so I chose that. But the output scaled resolution doesn't need to be that, and if you set it to 1280 by 720, the quality will go down just a little bit, but since you're streaming, when people watching the stream, they can't really notice it, and it's less straining on your computer to stream. The FPS value should be 60. You could go lower, and I'm not sure if you can go higher. Okay, we should be good on our settings here. Now, I'm going to be going into all the stream integrations, chat, and stuff like that. Up here in StreamElements, we have activity feed. So activity feed is this little box right here, and it shows who's followed me, donations, bit messages, etc. And we're gonna click on chat, and that's going to add a chat box here. Since I already have that, There's one right here, and it will connect to your account automatically. If not, it will just make you log in. Should be good to go. I'm going to be making more videos on about this and how to like get overlays and graphics and stuff like that. So stay tuned. See you guys later. Peace. Oh, yeah,